Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Al-Ma'oon. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين. Hamza is very sharp. There is no flow of sound. The sound is very sharp. Ra. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. And you are not circling your lips to make it heavy. You are just lifting your tongue. Don't circle your lips. Ra. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached with ya. And when you are attaching with ya, here you are making it soft because this is yailin. Whenever ya or waw are with sukoon and it has fatha before it, then it will be soft and long because this is yailin. I tell. Ta is very sharp for fatha upon jaws. Is that lam will get sifa of the wasut. Tell. La for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. With fatha, the two counts long. And the makhraj of dal is when you touch the tip of your tongue under the two frontal teeth. The u for dhamma circular lips. Ya is a soft letter. When you are lifting middle part of your tongue towards your middle part of your palate, uh, and you are not touching it. The tongue is being lifted up, but it is not touching your palate. That is making ya. And this is of makhraj of ya. And for dhamma circular lips, you, kad. Kaf is light and dal will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. So the sound should be hearable very nicely. Kad, and it goes on. It does not stop. This is sifa of rakhawa. Kadhi. With kasra, the sound is short. The wu for dhamma circular lips. The lips should be nicely circled for dhamma and the sound is short. Bid for kasra, give e sound attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of shidda. Bid, the sound will cut off very nicely. The, and then look, this is because of waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here. On noon, this temporary sukoon has changed this two counts long vowel. It was two counts long vowel, right? This is two counts long vowel. This temporary sukoon has changed this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad arid sukoon. Bidin. And tawasut is coming up because there is sukoon on noon. When Lin Omar are the letters, Lin Omar. Lin Omar. These are the five letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of tawassut. Lam, noon, ain, mim, ra. Whenever any of these letters are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Fa, give hams in fa. Whenever you look on fa, whichever state it is in, you are giving hams, and hams is flow of breath. Fa, the two counts long. Li for kasra, keep e sound. Kal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut first. Kal, la. The fatha, with fatha, the sound is short. Open your jaws for fatha. The two counts long. Ya, give for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. And ya is very soft. Ya, dur. For dhamma, circular lips attached with ain. When you are touching ain, your lips should be in a straight position because first ain is with sukoon. And then for dhamma, circular lips for dhamma, rul. And as you will touch lam, your lips should be back by then. Subhanallah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's kalam is so beautiful. It is beautiful and most beautiful. And it's so nice when we pronounce it with proper tajweed, subhanallah. Yadu'ul When you're attaching dal with ain, as you will touch ain, your lips should be in a straight position. And then you will circle your lips for dhamma on ain. And when you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position again. Yeah, do Rul. Yeah, yeah is soft for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Team. Because of this verb, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel. It was actually 2 counts long, has turned it into 4 counts. Yatim. مخرج of واو circling your lips for top and jaws. The sound is short. La 2 counts long. Yeah, yeah is soft for top and jaws. حط. The ha should be from your throat with hums and attach a dod. Dod will get sifa of رخاوة استطالة, and this is heavy. حط. حط. This sound should be there. حط. This sound is استطالة. حط. And then there is a dhamma on dot, and that will be short, and dot will stay heavy as it's always been. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. La 2 counts long. Ta is heavy. You're not circling your lips. You're just lifting your tongue up to make ta heavy. The sound is short. Ta. 2 counts long. Ain should be from your throat. Mil. For kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. You are not stopping this lam abruptly, but give it a little flow. Mil. Miss. For kasra, give e sound attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of Rokhawa, and it is light, and it has safir. It has whistle sound in it too. Miss. It will go on because the sound should flow. Miskin. And give tawassut on noon. Why? Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here, and it is bringing in tawassut because we discussed here. Okay. And this temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel ki. It was 2 counts actually, but it has been changed because of this temporary sukoon into 4 counts long. Miskin. Fa, give hums on fa. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Way, this is lean. Look, this is lean. Ya sakina, قبلها مفتوح. This is harf lean. Ya lean. So making it 2 counts long and make it soft. Fawailul. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a dhamma position, very nicely circled. And as you will touch lam, your lips should go back to its original place. Lul. It should not be circled here. Lul, lil. For kasra, give e sound. Tawassut, tawassut. Mu. For dhamma, circle lips, the sound is short. Swal. For fatha, open jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut first. Swal. Lean. Because of this waqf, we are giving temporary sukoon here on noon. This is bringing in what? Tawassut. Yes. Tawassut on noon. But this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat li-sukoon. فَوَيْلٌ لِلْمُصَلِّينَ. Hamza is very sharp. Fatha open jaws. The sound is short and attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La. For fatha open jaws. The sound is short with fatha. The 2 counts long. Na. For fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Hum. For the circular lips attached with me. Me will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it idhar. Hum. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. And here is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is heavy because sad is among heavy letters. So to make any ikhfa heavy, you are lifting your tongue up. You are not circling your lips. So. For fatha open jaws. La, 2 counts long. T for kasra give E sound. Him for kasra give E sound attached with meme. Meme will get sip off the wasut and ruling it with ha. Sa, 2 counts long. Hoon. Give the wasut on noon. Because of this waqf, you are giving sukoon here. And this sukoon has bring in tawassut, as we discussed here. And this temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel. It was written in 2 counts, has changed into 4 counts long vowel. الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون. Hamza is very sharp of a top on jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La. Lam is short. The 2 counts long. Na. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. For dhamma circular lips. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. And you're giving tawassut and rolling it with ha. You. For dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. Ra. Don't circle your lips. Make it 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. Oon. Because of this waqf, we are giving sukoon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. That will be 4 counts long too. Yura'oon. مخرج الواو circling your lips for top on jaws. Yeah, it's soft for top on jaws attached with meme. We'll get sip out tawassut. Na for top on jaws. Ru, eyeing from your throat. For dhamma circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Nal for top on jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip out tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ma, 2 counts long. Roon. Because of the waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon. This temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. ويمنعون الماعون. أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.